Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.6 on Windows 11 operating systems. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. Okay, so first go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter. Now click on download or download, both are same. Click on download. Then see here, at the time of making this video, VirtualBox 7.1.6 is the latest software. So for Windows, you have to click on this Windows host. Click on it. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 117 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And it is exe file. After that, we have to download this extension pack as well. Okay. Download completed. Now click on this VirtualBox 7.1.6 WinExe file. Click on it. Click on next. Select the terms in the license agreement by checking the checkbox. Then click on next. This is the installation directory. If you want to change, you can click on this browse button and change. I'm okay with the default one, so click on. Also see here the version 7.1.6. Click on next. This is just warning. Click on S. See, if you want to create start menu entries, you have to keep the checkbox. If you want to create desktop, if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you have to. I don't want quick launch, register file associations, yes. Then click on next. Ready to install, so click on install. See, installation is in progress. It is simple and straightforward. See, installation completed. Also see the checkbox. Start Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.6 after installation. Or if you unselect, then also we can able to open this one. So unselect and click on finish. Now go to here. See, the VirtualBox extension pack is available for personal and educational use on this page under this license. Okay. So also it is available for the commercial or enterprise terms. Okay. So go to this agreement, go to this license and agreement, then click on accept and download for the VirtualBox extension pack. Click on it. See, once we clicked on download started, see, download completed. Now click on this Oracle VirtualBox extension pack. Click on it. Now click on, see, we have the older version. So click on upgrade. Then go to license agreement. Forget about this. These are older VMs available on my PC. Then click on agree. It is done. Now verify the version of the VirtualBox that we have installed. Select help and click on about VirtualBox. See here, we have installed VirtualBox version 7.1.6. Okay, click on close. If you want to create a new virtual machine, we have to click on new. Then we have to provide all the information. Or select machine and new, both are same. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox and its extension pack version number 7.16 on Windows 11 operating system. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.